Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I have a very interesting business that I'd like to take a look at. It's doing $269,000 a month. And for anybody who thinks e-commerce or drop shipping is difficult to get to, please watch this video till the end because I promise you this will change your perspective on how e-commerce businesses are built. And this will enforce in you the idea that all you really need is one good basically you need one good idea to help you make six figures a month. Literally just one good idea is separating you from like starting a business that's doing 6K a month. All right, so this business is called myhemios.com. They primarily operate out of the US and UK, so top drop shipping countries. And you can see that all they're really selling is one particular product. Okay, and you'd be shocked to see what this product is. The product is a hematite bracelet. Now you're probably thinking, Ali, what is so cool about this bracelet that why is this, what's so interesting about this? Like, we've been in drop shipping before and we've seen bracelets come and go, fashion products come and go. Well, the thing that makes this product interesting is the fact it's about how this thing is being advertised. Okay, the way that this product's being advertised, guys, it's as a tool for men's virility. Okay, so the thing about this tool, and it's so perfect for Valentine's Day when people are approaching this type of holiday, these type of products take off, right? And we're gonna go through some of their advertising so you can see, right? Look at the ad angles that are being used to sell this particular product. Okay, now for me, I'm not really too sure about the science behind this. You guys can go ahead and see some of their AI ads as well. But look at the ad angles that they're using to be able to sell this particular product, right? And that's it. Like, this is like e-commerce in a GIF, right? A lot of people come in when they find winning products just like this, they try and do a ton to be able to sell it, but most of what they're doing is very conventional. I have seen 6 and 7 figure businesses being made when you carve out your own opportunity within a niche. So when people are thinking about selling this bracelet for hematite, all right, and this bracelet is, by the way, very easily drop shippable. You can sell it for about $40, and you can source it for about uh, this is very cheap, right? So about $5, right? You can source it for like $5 right now, or sorry, $2 on AliExpress. Good reviews. It'll be shipped to the customer, or you can drop ship this from Amazon and you can sell it for $14.99. Because I know that a lot of you guys want to start your business before Valentine's Day. So this is it, right? This is the business that's being built now. Let's go back to this, and this is what I want to talk about a little bit more. And I have some notes that I've made while I was studying this business. Okay, yeah, one idea can make you six figures in sales. A ton of people may have tried to drop ship this business bracelet before. Okay, but look at the messaging. Okay, like a lot of men struggle with testosterone. A lot of men struggle with performance issues. A lot of men struggle with feeling like a man, right? And what this does is it says like the bracelet channels legendary warrior stone force to ground your natural power and support your healthy energy without any pills, chemicals. This is what people in the olden age used. And there's a ton of people that have this belief that stones carry certain energy. Now, is this product for everyone? Absolutely not. And I don't want you guys thinking in the comments down below, Ali, you're asking us to scam people or rip people off. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying really is what I'm trying to do is get you to think a little bit different about e-commerce. When you sell products, now I have a three-pronged strategy for whenever I enter a market. Whenever I enter a market, excuse me, I look at my competitors and I look at what ads were they running like what are some of the oldest ad angles that they're running, because I'm going to run those ad angles. What are some of the newest ad angles they're running? I'm going to run those ad angles. And what are ad angles that they've completely missed? Okay? And I'm going to run those ad angles as well. For this product, this is an ad angle that's completely missed, okay? Like, in just 2 nights, say goodbye to all of these issues that men suffer from. My wife can't get her hands off me now, right? These are issues that men suffer from. And there are people that believe, there are men and women that believe that there are certain powers or there's certain characteristics in stones. Okay, there's big cultures that believe that, and I'm sure that these ads aren't being targeted to just men, right? Because I feel like women actually have this belief more than men. And so they're probably targeting women as well who are buying them as gifts. Now, why am I bringing this business to your attention right now? Number one, it's Valentine's Day. So I feel like it's an easy way for anybody to start an e-commerce online business. Either do it the same way that they're doing, or what you can do is learn from this. All right. And for products that you're currently selling or products that you're about to sell, think about how can you come into the market with a brand new approach to selling this product. And the approach that you select, what's very important for you to understand is how can you make sure that it's something that's completely different from the norm. Okay, completely new, and it also needs to be very personal. There was this other business that I was just studying. This is doing $389,000 a month, and they're literally selling orthopedic shoes. Okay, but their entire approach was also different. Like they're selling to women with like, it's really funny. Their approach is completely different. It's give me a second. Let me show you. When I looked at some of their ads, they were targeting women that have entered like a very important stage of their life, right? Menopause. And look at this, right? Shoes built for post-menopause relief. I have never seen anything that helps women during this period works really well on Facebook ads, but look at how they're selling shoes, right? Such a crazy new ad angle, such a crazy new approach where they're selling shoes for women that have reached a certain age. Again, very personal issue being solved by a very normal product. And I think that's the main message of this video is when you're thinking and looking at products, you need to think about how can I look at this beer belly gone without quitting beer. Now, the reason they can say that is because they claim that this particular stone, right, helps you like with blood circulation, right? Helps you with strength, helps you with virility. It basically helps like circulate your blood and increase testosterone. That's the main payoff for this particular product. But increasing circulation and increasing testosterone has a ton of different benefits, right? It'll improve your energy, it'll improve your focus, and it'll improve performance. Now, you can take that in any shape or form, but the way that they took it has allowed them to sell tons and tons of this product. Look at this, right? Goodbye to puffy face, double chin, and 11 pounds. Now, anytime you can offer a big payoff for a small investment, you're going to get a ton of interest. But at the same time, remember, no business comes without its caveats. Look at this, 1.5 on Trustpilot. I'm sure that they're attracting a ton of negative reviews. Okay, I'm sure, right? Because at the end of the day, I don't think a bracelet can help you with certain things, but like there's also something to be said about the placebo effect, right? Like you put it on, the placebo effect gives you more confidence, XYZ, you keep wearing it. Who's to say? I'm not here to comment on people's beliefs. I'm just here to report on really good marketing that I see. Okay. So now, what would your launch approach be? Okay. For me, what I would do is I would basically go ahead and run this store exactly how it is. If you're a beginner who has never made money online, I would run the store exactly how it is. So I would basically create the same page that this person is running on, and then I would go ahead and create the same ads that these guys are running, and then I would run the store exactly like this. Okay, because I see this as an evergreen ad angle. I don't think this ad angle is going to run out anytime soon, and I don't see how this particular also one thing I want to talk about as well, I made a ton of notes, is like take a look at the complexity to run this business. Okay, there is zero complexity. There is literally zero complexity, because before AI, running this business would have been extremely tough. You would have needed a graphic designer. You would have needed tons and tons of different employees to be able to create this. Now, all of these ads, look at this, right? Domesticated or dominant. She wants a lion, not a kitten. Wear this bracelet. Like, now to create an ad like this was very difficult before. With AI, it's 2 clicks away, right? So you have basically an unlimited amount of AI ads that you can create, which is brilliant, which is what you're going to need to be able to run this business. So ad production is not going to be an issue for you, right? Product sourcing is not going to be an issue for you. It's available on Amazon, it's available on AliExpress, and I would target the same countries that this person is targeting right here. So that's not going to be an issue for you. I think the only issue that people will run into is creating a page like this. And that's where we're going to help you with white label dropshipping. What we're going to do is we're going to create a replica of this store that you can run as your own. That's what we do. Let me just give you an example. So what we're doing is we're currently building the store out, and it will be available inside white label dropshipping. And what I'm going to do is have this ready very, very soon, so that it is ready in time for Valentine's Day. So when we find like a business like this, right? Like a 16 head massager. This is also a very good funnel to launch for Valentine's Day. We do all of the research, right? We look at how much money it's making. We look at the ads. We look at the sourcing. We look at the launch strategy. We look at everything, right? And most importantly is we look at their page, right? And then what we do is we create a very similar page for you, right? Right here that you can launch with your logo. That's what we do inside white label dropshipping. For more information on that, click the link down below. And that's what we're going to do for this business as well. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to give beginners a taste of the first sales. Okay, so that's what we're going to do with this business as well. We're going to basically go ahead and replicate this business so you can launch this yourself. And you can download this inside Shopify. You can download this inside Shopfunnels with one click and run it as your own. And the second thing that we're going to help you is we're going to help you create these image ads. These image ads are very, very easy to create. We have an AI employee called the AI Ads Rebuilder. It's all over here. These are AI employees that with one click of the button will take any ad that's working and replicate it for your brand. Okay, so that's what we're going to do inside of white label dropshipping. We'll have this business ready in a couple of days. So what I recommend is take a look, study it. If this is a business that you want to be a part of, click white label dropshipping down below. Again, you don't have to run ad angles you're not comfortable with, right? But you can run ad angles like this, right? Like it'll help you with your dad bod, right? It'll help you with performance. It'll help you be a beast in the office. It will help you just wake up leaner than yesterday, right? You can look at this Nature's Ozempic, sleep and burn. Like it's truly about how you want to position this bracelet, right? You can run it you can run very out there ad angles, or you can run very normal ad angles like this, right? But the thing is, the fact that these ads are still on, right? He started running this ad in Jan and it's still getting him clicks. It's still making him money, right? That for me is an absolute slam dunk business. All right. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Appreciate each and every one of you. Let me know down below what you think about this business. Has it changed your perspective in ecom? Do you now see that e-commerce is easy? All you need is one great product, a good ad angle, consistent traffic coming to your store, and you're going to make sales. But what's really important to understand is if you want to run this business, don't make too many changes. Run similar ads, and most importantly, run traffic to this page. This is the page that's worked for them. And if you don't have the ability to create pages like this yourself, seriously check out white label dropshipping below. That's how we've taken business owners who have never experienced any money, any sales, anything, and we've gotten them making sales consistently. We've gotten them past 10K, we've gotten them past 50, 100, 7 figures and beyond. All right, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.